let's get straight to it. Changing your side marker lights, your turn signal lights, and on your 2002 Nissan Pathfinder. This is the 3.5 V6 engine. First thing we're going to want to do is get that 10mm bolt out right there. And once that is out, we'll be able to pull this light forward and out. There's a little piece that you have to pull out of a hole here, and so you can reach in here with something to pry it and then pull straight out, and this piece should come out. So if I get in here with something to pry it out and I just keep prying, let's see, it pulls out eventually, and I can grab it from back here, do a little more prying here. There we go. So now we can just go ahead and pull this out, and you can see right there is what we had to pry out. I had to pry it out of this hole here in the front. Once it's out, you have a harness here that you want to get that off if you're going to replace this whole unit. So let's go ahead and get that harness off. I was able to squeeze this tab to get the harness out. And now if you're going to replace this whole unit, it should come with a bulb, but if not, all you have to do is turn this counterclockwise and that bulb comes out, and you pull that bulb straight out and you can pop a new bulb in. But like I said, most new units come with a new bulb in it, so you can go ahead and I can show you how to get it in. So this piece right here, like I said, that piece came out of there. So we're gonna plug our harness back in here, and then we're gonna hook that piece in that hole while lining up this edge over here, and then give it a nice push. You hear that snaps in, and now we come back up top here and we put our 10mm back in, just like that. And that is it. That is how you change your side marker bulbs, your turn signals, in a 2002 Nissan Pathfinder. This is the V6 3.5 engine. If you liked the video and you thought it was helpful, be sure to hit the like, subscribe button. Also, if you feel this video saved you some money, don't be afraid to leave a little tip in the Cash App. The more reactions and support that I receive is the more content that I'll make.